champion. Here we go, my people, you should know. Him decrease poverty with job creation, which means him a rebuild the nation. Leader, Peter, now him a no cheater. So many years in the PMP seat. I got through many fights but never get defeated. Build up new housing scheme, yeah. Highway 2000 fi make we drive sweeter. Reform JCF, him a the crime beater. Fix the economy, make life so.
National Party stand ready to build a better Jamaica. We come here energized, renewed and refreshed. We are ready to work hand in hand with the Jamaican people to build a better future equal to the dreams and aspirations of the Jamaican people. The work begins right now. And after conference, we're going to hit the road, first of all, to ensure victory in the coming by-elections.